Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to talk to you today about hormones. There has been some people that have said to me that their fasting has messed up their hormones. And although that can be true, I believe that fasting is one of the best ways to balance your hormones. So let's talk about it. Now, there are a lot of things in our life that affect our hormones. Stress affects our hormones. What we eat, when we eat, how much we eat, that all affects our hormones. Toxins in our environment, the food that we eat, the different additives and the toxins and the pesticides in our food affect our hormones. What we put on our skin affects our hormones. And we need to find a way to help bring those hormones back into balance because they all work as a team together. It isn't just one hormone that we have to address. We have to address them all so that they all come in and work synergistically to help us be healthy, to help us lose fat, to help us have energy, to have clear mind, to have healing and a purpose in life. We have to make sure that we're addressing our hormones. Sometimes we fall into the trap of thinking if something works, then more of it is going to be better. That's what happened to me. When I first started fasting, I thought if the more I did it, the longer I did it, the better it would be for me. And I quickly found out that that wasn't true. As a woman, especially with different hormones, I should be fasting different lengths according to where I am in my cycle. Now, even if you're in perimenopause or menopause, you still need to pay attention to different symptoms that you're having, telling you that you need to cut back on fasting, or now's the time you can kick the fasting up a bit. And I have really, since I started following Fast Like a Girl by Dr. Mindy Pelz, it has changed my whole fasting lifestyle, really, because now I know to fast with my cycle. I know the days I can fast long. I know the days I have to cut it back. And I will say it's harder for me to cut it back because I fasted for such a long time, long hours and so many days of it, so many years of it, that it's hard for me to cut back. But I've noticed that since I've done that, my health has changed for the better. I feel better. I have more energy. I am dropping fat again, which I needed to do. And now I'm just excited about the fact that I have found this lifestyle. Fasting, a fasting lifestyle, is one of the best ways to address your hormones, to help heal your hormones so that you can lose fat, so you have energy, so that you have a better mood and you just feel good. And by learning a program, learning a way to do it with your cycle, like with Fast Like a Girl, it will totally change it for you. Now, fasting with your hormones, that's one tool. It's a powerful tool in following a fasting lifestyle. But a fasting lifestyle isn't just about fasting. It's also about eating and what you do in your life to help make fasting easier, to make it more powerful. So you have to pay attention to what you're eating, what supplementation you're using. Unfortunately, in our day and age, our foods are not full of the minerals and nutrients like they used to be. Our water is lacking minerals. It used to be so full of that stuff. Our ancestors used to drink from mud puddles and have minerals and all the things that they needed in their water. We don't have that today. So we have to supplement. But if you have a lifestyle where you are fasting, where you are making sure you get enough sleep, where you are getting some movement in, where you are eating whole foods that are so good for your body, your meats, your fruits, your vegetables, healthy fats, when you are eating that kind of food, when you are supplementing with things to help build your microbiome, to repair your gut, to help you to get back on track with these things, that's when your life is going to change. And adding all that with your fasting lifestyle, that's when it totally transforms your health. And that's when it can help you to actually balance out your hormones. It isn't just one thing. We can do too much of one thing that's good. Fasting is good for us in so many ways. But when we do it too much, or if we do it wrong and not pay attention to those days in our cycle or those symptoms that our bodies are having, it can actually do harm to your body. So we are going to be talking about fasting in my lifestyle. I'm going to share with you how I fast, how I live day to day, how I incorporate it, and what it's done for my life. It's done so much. And I would recommend that you get this book, Fast Like a Girl, for women menopause, perimenopause, or you're still cycling, this is a great book. But also Dr. Mindy Pelz has this book, The Menopause Reset. Perfect for menopausal women that you are looking to balance your hormones through lifestyle, fasting and lifestyle. This is a great book. I will actually put the links to these books down below because I love these books. They have so much information to teach you exactly what you need to do to improve your lifestyle. Hormones are what we want to address, and we can heal them and we can bring them into balance and help them to work as the team they were created to work as if we do the right thing with our fasting and with our eating and how we live our life. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.